Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the pillow and power source. This ensures reliable operation. First, remove packaging and plug the USB-C cable into a wall adapter or power bank. Once charging begins, set the pillow on a flat surface and slide the pillowcase on, aligning the control panel with the pocket so buttons remain accessible. Make sure the indicator light turns solid after initial charge. This confirms the internal battery and glow module are ready for your next steps. Next, you customize comfort and light to match your sleep routine. Start by adjusting firmness with the pump or removable inserts so neck alignment is correct. This reduces tossing. Then press the mode button to pick sleep for white noise, glow for calming light, or combo to blend both. Adjust brightness to 0-100% to prevent glare. Once done, set the auto-off timer between 30 and 120 minutes so the pillow conserves battery and won't disturb the final sleep stages. Finally, you position the pillow and verify everything works so your sleep session starts smoothly. Place it under your neck with the glow module facing upward. This gives even ambient light and supports cervical comfort. If you want custom sounds or updates, pair your phone via Bluetooth and confirm firmware status. If the pillow is unresponsive, reboot by holding power for 10 seconds. This reset usually resolves firmware hangs. If that fails, fully charge for 2 hours and repeat the reboot before contacting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.